In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Outlook email. We all want our emails to be clear, concise, and most importantly, error-free, whether we're sending a quick note to a colleague or a detailed report to a client. I'll show you a simple and effective way to make sure your emails are polished and professional. So let's jump right in. Imagine you've already composed your message in Outlook, but you're worried there might be some spelling or grammatical errors. Not to worry, then Outlook has a built-in tool that can help you with that. First, you'll want to navigate to the upper part of the Outlook window, and this is where you'll find a series of icons and options. Look for the three dots, usually found towards the top right corner. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several features you might not use every day, but today we're focusing on one particularly helpful tool, the editor. Now, once the drop-down menu appears, scan through the options and click on Editor. Selecting this will activate the editor function and subsequently open a side window right next to your email. This side window is your new best friend when it comes to ensuring your emails are free of typos and grammatical errors. Here, the editor will display a list of words or phrases it suggests you review. These suggestions might include spelling mistakes, grammatical issues, or even style suggestions. Once you've got this list of suggested words, the process is straightforward. Start clicking through each suggested correction one by one. Outlook offers alternative words or phrases, often with explanations or reasons for the suggestion. Whenever you click on a suggested correction, Outlook provides you the option to replace the word, ignore the suggestion if you feel it's incorrect, or learn more about why that change was recommended. While you're going through this list, pay attention to the explanations offered by Outlook. These can be invaluable, particularly if you're unsure about the reason a word or phrase was flagged. Understanding these suggestions can help improve your overall writing skills over time. Remember, this editor tool is not just about fixing errors, it's also a learning opportunity. By regularly using this feature, you'll get better at spotting and correcting your own mistakes, ultimately making you a more confident and capable writer. That's the entire process, from composing your email to making it impeccable with just a few clicks using Outlook's editor tool. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to ensure your emails are as polished as possible, leaving a great impression every single time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to replay this video if you need a refresher anytime.